Hello guys and welcome to the today's session which we'll be covering on SAP Tau. So today's session would be a very interesting session in which we will be covering the aspects of SAP Tau and what is the advantages of Tau with respect to other frameworks which we have in the markets, automation frameworks like QDB. So Tau has a well clear-cut advantage. The thing is that in Tau we have a well-defined BPT framework which we already get once we install our Tau. So in that one, what happens is like we have several components which are getting developed once we record a script. Then those components are uploaded into Quality Center. Then we design the test script. Then we test the test script and convert it into a test scenario, and then we execute it. So Tau, how it is advantage is like it has built-in features which are provided with the tool, like PFA, consolidation, then execution run and results report to us, then BPCA. So what is the advantage? I mean, how it scores with respect to other automation frameworks. So the thing here is that once you do PFA, it records all the actions which are stored into a SAP screen, and then it automatically develops the components and stores that into our Quality Center once we upload it. So once you upload your PFA script or the recorded script into Quality Center, you can see the list of components which are there in that whole script. So after you see the components, you can consolidate the whole script into one single component or one single consolidated component, for which we have a separate feature called as consolidation. So in that one, once a component is developed, it has the amalgamation of all the single individual components or actions. And once that is done, then we design our scenario based on that particular test script. We test it, we execute it, and we analyze the results and report defects if any. So the main advantage of Tau here is easy to use, quite efficient, very good in maintenance, very cost effective, and very easy to design scripts based on that, and also the complex end-to-end scenarios. So I would recommend Tau to be used, to learn Tau basis, to recommend Tau to be used across different projects, try understanding that, try understand the concept, and try applying them. Thanks a lot for your session today. Thank you.